Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be playing some Roblox. Some mysterious game or something, I don't know. Wait, I remember. I remember my No. Oh, I know. Okay, now what to do? What? So I there. Oh my God. Wait, what? Let's turn up shift watch for this one. This one's easy. It's to sit in the water. Sit in the water. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's too late. It's too late. I hope this doesn't like fall like the last one. The last one you gotta go so fat. No, don't fall. It's easy. Why would it fall? No! I was just about to say, oh, I just fell. Look how much time I have! Just let me up the tree! Let me up. Let me up. Just let me up, man. It's not that hard. Thank you. I don't care. No, I care that I'm literally about to die. I'm not making it, man. I'm definitely not gonna make it. And close. Well, it's too late. No, I can jump over there. Oh my God. I can jump over there. Whoa. Why? Oh my God. I can't do it. I'm. Keep trying. Just keep trying. Just. Oh my. I'm never. Oh my God. I've already played this one a bunch of times, man. I played this yesterday, man. I can't. Silliness. I can't be in full silliness and then die immediately. Woo, woo. That's not fair. This one's very tricky. Because look how slow I go. Look how slow lava goes. Very hard. Like, yeah, I don't need to use that, man. I can just jump around it. I actually thought you needed to do that at first. Got here, man. Like, why put it way over there? Wait. Lava, wait for me. Wait for me. Woo! Woo! If I fall, I'm dead. I just need that button. I just need it. What do I do? What was I? I'm supposed to go back. This might be the last one. Yes. I can be, you know, oh my god, stop. I can be the driver of this one. I can crawl into the front. I can still make it. Well, guys, it's the next day. It is so happy. My birthday's here. I have friends. I can say, okay, well, I didn't pick anything. Whee! Oh my god. Okay. Ah. Wow. Is this blue moon detailed? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, yes, it is. Yep. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. It didn't get me in. You played that map. No. This is fun. Wait, we made our safe easy version. Huh? Spelled easy wrong. Facility. Thanks, man. You're really good. You can't even jump. That's okay. I take back what I said. Okay, well, this is just a practice map. Okay, thanks for the buttons. They work. Oh my god. In a second. I'm not gonna notice. It does rise. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. God, I don't. Oh my god, man. Into the lava. Oh man. Okay, thank you. I need to get that. I don't know how to spell Japanese. Listen to this. He just can't swim up. You see these people right here? They're like so mad.